Ever looked up at the moon and wondered who was the first to step foot on it? You probably know it's a monumental achievement in human history. But do you know which country made that incredible leap? The race to the moon was a thrilling chapter in the Cold War. Two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union, were locked in a fierce competition to prove their technological and ideological superiority. The Soviets had an early lead, launching the first satellite, Sputnik, into orbit and sending the first human, Yuri Gagarin, into space. This early success fueled American ambition. President John F. Kennedy, in a famous 1961 speech, declared that the United States would land a man on the moon and return him safely to the Earth before this decade is out. This bold goal became a national rallying cry, inspiring a massive investment in research and development. The competition intensified. The U.S. and the Soviet Union poured billions of dollars into their space programs, pushing the boundaries of rocket science and human endurance. The U.S. developed the powerful Saturn V rocket, the most powerful rocket ever built, while the Soviets focused on their own ambitious lunar program. On July 20, 1969, the world held its breath as the Apollo 11 mission reached its climax. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, guided by Michael Collins in the command module, landed the lunar module, Eagle, on the surface of the moon. Armstrong's historic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the globe. The Apollo 11 mission was a triumph of human ingenuity and a testament to the power of ambition and determination. It inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and explorers, and solidified the United States' position as a global leader in space exploration. So, to answer the question, the United States was the first country to land a human on the moon. This historic achievement remains a symbol of human potential and a reminder that even the most ambitious goals can be achieved with dedication, perseverance, and a touch of healthy competition. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.